Hello and welcome to Salar News Sprint. Let's look at the news that made the headlines in a sprint. A group of radical British Sikh activists prevented Indian High Commissioner Vikram Doraiswamy from entering a Gurdwara in Scotland. Tensions between UK and India, as well as recent incidents involving Sikh individuals, have fueled the activists' frustration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarks on an extensive election campaign addressing 8 rallies in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. He will also launch projects and public welfare schemes during his 6-day tour from September 30th to October 6th. CM Siddaramaiah has announced that a review petition will be filed regarding the Kaveri water dispute. The petition emphasizes the lack of water availability, leading to the decision not to release water. This decision comes after consulting experts and legal advisors on the best course of action.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ಸು, ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸು ಮತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ಸು, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ 3 ಸಲಹೆಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
Akshata Murthy, wife of UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, will be shutting down Catamaran Ventures UK, a venture capital fund co-founded by the couple in 2013. The fund, backed by Infosys founder Narayan Murthy, has faced scrutiny in the past for its involvement with startups receiving taxpayer-backed funding. The Reserve Bank of India has extended the deadline to exchange Rs 2,000 notes at banks until October 7. The notes will remain valid even after the deadline ends. Banks will stop accepting Rs 2,000 notes for exchange from October 8, but they can still be exchanged at 19 RBI offices or sent by post to RBI's issue offices via India Post. As of September 29th, only 0.14 lakh crore worth of Rs 2,000 notes remain in circulation, with 96% of the notes returned since May 19. Ravichandran Ashwin, speaking to official broadcasters before the warm-up game against England, hints that this could be his last World Cup for India. The 37-year-old veteran bowler, who replaced Akshar Patel in 2023 squad, previously missed out on the 2019 World Cup but played crucial roles in 2011 and 2015 squads. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah expresses joy and congratulates the team behind Kannada's first wildlife musical documentary film, Kappe Raga, for winning the prestigious Jacksonville Day Award, also known as the Green Oscar. Director Prashant S. Nayak's achievement serves as an inspiration to young directors in the country. Well, that's it for today. For latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.